Alright, so hello everybody, another video. Um, let's see in this video what we're trying to do here. Play the variation, right? We can see the thing here. What we can not see is which it's our progress here on which day we're on. And also the other thing is I click here, right? Congratulations, text block. Oh yeah, we'll fix that later. Money is working. Then the problem we have then is that we're starting the game, it says 0 days, blah blah, like it should all be saying 0. Right, look at this. Right here it should be saying all 0. So all this should be 0, right? So like let's figure out why that is. Why that happens, like what's the problem with that? So we're gonna go to the BP game instance again. Actually we're gonna I I kind of want to rename it to daily reward systems, but I feel like maybe it's not necessary. And so let's go loop. Next one, compare date. Yeah, I think this is the date. So the date is really the problem. Could be on the time left because like when you go out of this room, out of this function here, you take whatever it's put inside of these purple variables. And so we really want the last one to show up. So, and if there's any way we can make this code even more simple, it would be that would be even better. Gift coins. Wait, what is that exactly? So like, I have a problem with this. I don't know why this is 0 when it should actually be inheriting whatever is inside of our BP game instance. So that's kind of a problem. Um, let's see again. You see here the light is going to slowly get more intense. I would like it ideally to, as soon as you boot the game, boom, the lights are like, but I'm not a light expert. If anyone knows how to do that, they'll let me know. So the issue we have right now, so far, is this claim, next. So it's really, we should start with 0, 0, 0, everything. That's the only issue. So we need to figure out when is it for the first time being set. So, and I think it's right about here on the loop where we have the compare date. Show reward button. Yeah, this I think irrelevant. The problem is somewhere in here. So let's figure that out. First of all, let's also reset our games. Reset and start again. Go click. Yeah, you see, this exactly right here is the problem. So the problem is that we're going instead of here instead of the route down there, right, all the way down there. So we're gonna need to figure that one also. So first things first is why is it going down there instead of by default, which is to follow the path of the 0, the last one over here. So let's go one by one. How is the mathematic working? Is it gonna crash? I hope not. Because that would kind of suck. Come on. Is it related to my CPU, GPU, RAM? What's going on here? Come on, man, I had a perfect YouTube-like setup. Intro. Oh yeah, thank you, God. Perhaps that was just a RAM spike. Alright, so let's go to boom, variation. Let me disable notifications here so that nothing pops out. Alright, so oh Jesus, I don't know what's going on here. Literally, I followed it from another tutorial, so I'm gonna need to figure out what's going on. So what's left is like difference 1 minute or something. Minus. Oh, it's positive. So what happens if it's positive? That is positive. Then is it less? Is this less than this? Then it's false. Then what happens? Okay, I understand now. It's being what saves us is that this is false. So then that goes down there. Then this compares make time span 2 days. What is that? That make time span thing. Receives this from here. Receives the difference of plus 1 minute. Bigger than this one? Is it bigger? Then it's gonna be true and it's gonna go forward. Whereas I feel like this should be like the negative thing here. I don't even know how this works. Make time span select. So we're gonna like reverse it. Oh, I like this. I like this. Roughly speaking, play. Oh, and don't forget we need to also like what? Oh, it's not good. Put it back. How is that creating like infinite loop? How is that creating an infinite loop when they're all going to the same place? This is not creating an infinite loop. Command index. Compare date, but this compare date only like executes after 2 minutes, so this should not create actually an infinite loop at all. So what's going on? Click here. Wow. Create save game object. Oh. Function create save game object. That's wait, show me again. Show me that again. I want to see. Begin play, reward logic. Restart reward complete. Where's the infinite loop? Don't understand. I don't understand. I do not understand. How is that possible? Put it back down. So, like, what if we reverse this down? We change this one down there, and oh, there's gonna be a problem with the command index also. So that's another issue.